Hello, awesome people. I thought I'd start a tutorial on some small bits of information, some fundamental terminology in Reloading Studio. So once we've logged in, we'll be looking at the screen and I'm currently working on this functionality, so I'll talk about it in a different tutorial and possibly a blog post. I'm actually really excited about it. But today I want to talk about a field called batch name. So that's here. And you'll notice that if we go to most of our components like factory ammo, we'll see a batch name, primers, projectiles, powder. We'll always be seeing this batch name. If we go into equipment rather than components, so components are consumables, cases, for example, projectiles, powder. If we're going to equipment, we will see a name. So suppressor name, sighting system, name, handgun, name, and effectively they're the same thing. So batch name and this equipment name, they're ways of telling us what it is that we're looking at as a shorthand. So for instance, if I'm looking at powder, batch name can be whatever you want it to be, as long as it makes sense to you. And it's an easy way to represent it in the table. So if I'm looking at Trail Boss, I can call it TB001. To me, it means that it's Trail Boss, and it means that it's the first bottle of Trail Boss. If there's two, I could potentially clone it, and I can say, okay, well, I bought a second bottle of Trail Boss, so I'll call it TB002, but it could be anything. But I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on this particular field, which is batch name, just to explain what it does and why it's here, and why it's important. So to represent shorthand information in Reloading Studio. That's it. That's it for this tutorial.